Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to talk about screen recorders. I've just found a Chrome plugin screen recorder that's absolutely free of charge. And as far as I can tell so far, it works quite well. So in the Google search bar, I searched Google screen recorder. I found this and began to check it out. So as you can see here, it runs offline. 4-star review with over 1,200 reviews, and it has over 1 million users as well. Basic overview: capture screen only, the screen with the camera, or only the camera. From an audio standpoint, you can capture with no audio, the microphone only, the system as well as the mic, or the system only. Privacy practices: the publisher has disclosed that it will not collect or use your data. The publisher declares that the data is not being sold to third parties outside of the approved use cases. It's not being used or transferred for purposes that are unrelated to the item's core functionality, and it's not being used or transferred to determine creditworthiness for lending purposes. Now, of course, when you come to this screen where it says remove from Chrome, that's because I've already installed the extension. When you see this page, it'll say add to Chrome. All right, so that is the screen recorder that's free and available through Google's Chrome Web Store. I'm actually using it right now for this recording, and as far as I can tell, it works quite well. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.